Hello and welcome. Today I'm just going to put a little bit of wire on this larch in the ground just over winter, just to get a bit more shape in it. It's hopefully set by spring, and I'll take the wire off. But just going to get some wire on it. Okay. Right, here we go. Let's get some wire. This is only it's first year in the ground, this one, so it's not doing too bad. It's shaping up nicely. Just that with it growing in the ground, the branches are just shooting up a little bit. Just have to keep them straight and narrow where we require them. Bring this one round a little bit. Down a bit. I think we'll have this one just a little bit that way. Just get a little bit more wire on these two. Leave the leader just to thicken the trunk up. So a little bit of thin wire on this. A little bit of 1.5 mil. Just to bring this in line. Say it's going on late October now. The needles are starting to drop now. So we'll just bring this one down a little bit. So this one's gonna just get a bit of movement on that. I think all we need to do is go around with a pair of scissors. That one's just going straight up, so we don't want that. Just shorten these. Encourage back budding. Shorten this one, so as hopefully we'll get some buds coming back there next spring. I think we'll just get rid of that, to be honest. Cut that one back, and I think that's just about it now till spring. We'll cut the wire off in spring, ready for the fresh new growth to come. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.